Never have I farted during sex. Never have I washed my coochie in the sink because I was running late. Never have I ever gotten slapped in the face during sex. No.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Don't make time on but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. And today we have y'all's favorite guest. She is Shacqueal. And today's video we will be doing a spicy never have I ever. Without further ado, let's get on into the video.
Guys, hold on. This is going to be part one.
Oh yeah, this is part one of a two-part video, so you can go over to Shacqueal's channel for part two. Her link will be in the description.
She is Shacqueal. Okay?
Alright.
Let's
So
go.
let me see. Alright, so don't go over the phone though. First question.
Never. Joke.
Put up your arm. Never have I ever. What is? No, we're not doing that.
We're doing it.
No.
Drink the pepper sauce.
No,
She has
we're gonna
tea.
come back to it.
Okay.
Never have I ever kissed a girl. Never have I dated the same sex. The finger itch too.
Don't do that. Problem, not your problem.
Never have I washed my coochie in the sink because I was running late. Listen, listen, let me tell you something. If vagina have wash, vagina have wash, at least me not nasty like someone will go to.
Me not washing and sink.
Me not go to the front. Me not do it.
Me not washing and sink because me sink too high, and in order to reach the sink, would have happy fight. So if me in a rush, me rather run go in the shower and wash out, you know.
So
but me not use the sink.
My sink lower.
My sink tall like up to my belly.
No,
Yeah, but I'm already cocking up, people.
No, but I feel like I put my vagina in the sink, you know. That's not, you know, I'm not gonna
You pat it up with the
I'm not
water.
gonna explain myself. That's not so degrees. Next. Never have I ever slept with two guys in the same friend group.
Slept with, no, not slept with, dated the two of them. Mistake. And one of them are from high school and one of them are college, so mistake.
Why the you lying? Why you always lying?
Is sensitive? It good just the same though. It good. Never have I farted during sex. Put on the finger, man.
Which part?
Your bottom. Your bottom.
No.
Yeah, put all that like a G if you want to put.
Right, true.
Put on the
I would have them belly. The poop on. Next. It's sent to the rise, you know. But I said they would rise up.
I don't know more video.
I can't imagine if I get back and they said just rise up. But what you say, come on, go get your yard, girl. That's shame, you know.
That's shame for true. Wanna go back, you know?
Now go back.
And for my boyfriend, I have to go left him.
No, you have to apologize. Can't afford to let my boyfriend, girl. But you go walk and tell people say me fast for him. That's why I left him. Can't do that.
Moving on. Never have I ever been depressed because of a nigga. Yes.
Right, true.
Right, true. Right, true. Never have I ever tasted myself.
Yeah.
Never. May I look if it's a Twitch? Lad gal. Pearl. Never have I made out on a plane. No, my love. I don't know if you're there.
I wish.
Can't tell us
Soon
me
though,
on a
soon.
plane. Boyfriend, if you're watching this, please take me on a vacation and let's just kiss on the plane so I can fulfill my fantasy. Never have I made up baby names with someone you're not even with right now. Right, true.
Not with.
Yeah, that you're not with right now. So your ex.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Right, true. So that Anya done. Move on to that Anya. Never have I ever shit myself. No? You ever shit yourself?
I'm thinking, girl. You never eat a poop and feel like one little shit come.
No.
Like I put on my hand.
Put on your hand. Like you shit yourself already.
People, me swear I think I did fart more fart, you know.
And shit up yourself.
Me never shit up me
Shit up yourself.
both.
Never have I ever lied about being sick just not to go out with a particular person.
Well, not sick, but I feel sick. Probably. Me go put on my. Probably.
Yes,
Say I feel sick. Me not feel too good now. Probably.
yes, actually, yeah. But now let's say this. When no one gonna away, there's no one gonna away.
Right.
It's simple as that. Never have I ever had my swimsuit accidentally slip off in water. Most definitely. Titi them
I'm always in the back here, but I don't know what it is.
Always. But yeah. Never have I ever gotten slapped in the face during sex. No.
This better not continue because
It's the honesty for me. Wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute.
Wait a damn minute.
Shelby said no me love period.
No love. I forgot all my life. Never have I ever called out the wrong name during sex. Nah.
I ain't know nobody did that with me, bro. What's if I did ex? Bro.
No, someone never do that one yet. Never have I ever did something with a guy and didn't tell my best friend. Not that my best friend know about my activities, right? True. Everything. Never have I thought about one of my friends in a sexual way.
I don't think so.
No.
She thinks about me, but she won't say it, but that's fine.
Who is she? Who is the she that you're speaking about? I can't.
The person who is saying I can't do people.
Moving on. Never have I ever given head.
This is a question for you, see?
About people, about 50. And that one question there. Like, who don't do that? Never have I ever had sex. How much finger may I have left?
One.
Yeah. Never have I ever had sex in a taxi. What?
That ghetto still.
That is ghetto. Lad.
Look when I say one car or something.
Yeah, taxi.
Just go down memory lane and go around. But anyways.
No, sir. No, sir. What a question I tried is never have I ever got the cream in places. What do you mean?
Probably inside there. If that's something the case. Guys one. I don't understand the question.
Never have I ever attempted getting a sugar daddy for fun. Yeah, Tim.
Brother.
I can't entertain somebody if I don't like them. I'm not want.
I hate to no bad.
I don't want nobody to touch me. Like even if you're not trying to rub me down, I don't want you to touch me at all.
Actually, no, I don't think maybe entertain. I say put up back my finger. No, that's a no for me. I don't think so. I hate man.
I like wait. One more me I look for. What? Shacqueal do this. Never have I ever picked my nose and eat it.
When me used to pick me nose and eat it.
You're nasty.
There you go.
You nasty bad.
Get no shot. That's it.
That's it. Guys, I put up this question things today, so you know we never get a whole lot of
and she get more than me, so I must know. Man, I got short but spicy. Because we're going to continue with the pepper over there, so.
This hurt me. We don't take no pepper? Come and take one for the tea. One for the tea.
But we see what I'm going to my video first.
I say this?
Yes. Next thing I don't want to come and see one question over there, you know.
Moving on. Okay guys, I know this video was short, but I don't want a video. I'm gonna get on a video.
Better short than never.
Better short than nothing. Okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to Shacqueal's channel. Link will be in the description. And make sure to go over there, go watch part 2 of this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.